Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for our March Paycheck 2 budget. So we are going to go ahead and figure out where all our money is going this month, and then we are going to fill in our electronic envelopes, and that will be it for this video before we get into our cash stuffing in our next video. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoy videos about learning how to design a life that you love through budgeting, planning, and through other creative pursuits. And I will see you all in just a minute. All right, y'all. So I don't know if I'm the only person who this happened to, but I have been spending money kind of like crazy. Not super bad, but like it's a little rough, y'all. It's been a little rough. So let's see how this budget pans out for us. So we have, as usual, we start with our envelopes with $300. And then we have NTTA. As you all know, this is the toll system in DFW. And I'm only putting $5 in because I've saved the 40. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Travelers. We have, and the 5 will be pulled out in cash because I put it in an envelope as a sinking funds now. Travelers is $20. And then let's see if I can make this work. I've moved the mic much closer. We're gonna see how that goes. And then we have charter, which is 80. Oh, I was like, what is that noise? Okay. We have Geico, which is, I'm gonna move the mic again. I'm just moving the mic all over the place. Okay. Let's see if I can make this work the way I would like for it to. Okay, I think so. I think we're good. Okay. So then we have Geico, which is 180. And then we have T-Mobile, which is 135. And then we have the gym, which is 11. We have Netflix, which is 16. So I have a couple of streaming services, and honestly, I don't think I'm getting rid of them. They bring me a lot of joy. 60 for Metro. Travel gets 25. Business gets 85. And I'm super excited for my business. I have finalized some details for things. So there's going to be, the first release is going to be bath salts and incense. And then we have candles that are coming up. So I've got a couple of things up in the works, got some of the packaging together. So I'll be bringing some videos about that soon. This month for sure. We have savings, which gets 167. We have house, which gets, I wrote that crazy, 430. We have cushion, which gets 10. Now, I definitely need to actually start tracking how much money I have in my account because I'm like, $10 for cushion. But then I'm not checking to make sure it's actually adding up. So that is definitely something I need to improve upon. And then $164 for debt. So then we now need to fill in our envelopes. Need to fill in our envelopes. Here we go. As you can see, haven't done much with the envelopes. I've just kind of been filling them in because the snowstorm really truly messed everything up. It was just not good. So I have already filled in my envelopes things were crazy. So I filled in my envelopes already. And these are electronic envelopes. These are in an account in my bank. But we had left over before payday in my food envelope. We had, this handwriting is so sad, y'all. There we go. We had $2.31 Oh, wait, it gets $50. Roller was $2.31. So the total was $52.31. In gas, we had 500. Let's see. So, gas is the high roller. In gas, we had, and it's just my little tracker system right here. In gas, we had $508.44. Oh, I keep putting the wrong thing in there. Okay, well, switch it over. It should be 30 in the amount that we're getting paid. We have $508.44 rolled over, which left us with a total of $538.44. Then we have home, and home gets $35. And let's see how much we had left over in home. We had I have been kind of tripping, honestly, because I totally put in the wrong amount there. So home gets 35. We had $32.13. And so that leaves us with a total of $67.13. And that means I need to I don't know why I thought this was a different week than what it was. And that just messed up everything. It's just weird. It's been a weird year, I think, for everyone. So then we have home. And home has, oh no, that's beauty. Oh, we did home. Oh my goodness. I'm telling y'all, I'm tripping. Okay, beauty. Okay, and beauty gets 15. Beauty had left over. Well, I think beauty was in the negative. Oh, I went and got my hair done. I mentioned in some of my other videos that I was saving to get my hair done. So I went and got my hair done, and then she was telling me all the many things I was doing wrong with my hair because, like many people during this lockdown period, I was just, doing whatever I felt like, and I kept cutting my hair when I really, really shouldn't have. And so she was telling me all the stuff I needed to kind of get my hair together, and I had a silk press and a trim, and so then I was like, I gotta get all this stuff to maintain it and change my shampoo and do all this other fun stuff. So I was way spending money in beauty. So, it is what it is. I had negative $5.18 in beauty, and then so that left us with $9.82. And then I'm also now saving money to get my hair trimmed again in 3 months, just so I can keep up with it, because I cannot have this happen to me again. Entertainment. I hope this one was in the positive. I don't even remember. Nope. Okay, well, we get $20 for entertainment. We were at negative $1.51, and that left us with $18.49. And then we had clothes, which you guys finally, clothes have been in the negative forever because I bought a bunch of bras and underwear, and I needed them. But we get 25. We had negative 23.34, and now we finally have in the positive $1.66. Woo! That took 3 months to get back into the positive. Ridiculous. Okay, and then last but not least, we have travel, and that one gets 25. And we had 134.64, so our total is 159.64. All right, y'all, that's it. That's our envelopes. Whoop whoop. I'll go ahead and fill in for next week, for next week. So it's just $50, $30 for gas, $10 for home, $15 for beauty. I'm thinking I need to my beauty, but we'll see how that goes. $20 for entertainment, 0 for clothes, 0 for travel. So next week, hopefully, I'm ready to fill this out, and then that'll be all my electronic envelopes. So that's it for this one. I have some cash stuffing to do for this paycheck, and I will be doing that in the next video. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you have not already, please subscribe for more videos. There's plenty of them to watch. And if you, let's see, what's a good comment to leave for today? How are your envelopes going if you use them? Do you pay for like food and things on your debit card, or do you use cash? Have you switched back to cash if you went cashless when everything kind of went down in April or March of last year? So just let me know how things are going and what you've been up to. And I hope you're having a great one. I love you all. Have a good one. Bye-bye.